How you doing, guys? Today we have a 2013 Dodge Ram. Customer have a broken key, so we're gonna create a brand new fob and we're gonna program it. Let's get started. By the way, if you like those videos, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see our daily locksmith videos. I'm gonna use Autel KM100. I'm gonna connect the Bluetooth dongle into the OBD underneath the steering column, and we're gonna start the programming on the main menu. So first thing first, this is the broken key. This is the one that doesn't work. I'm gonna take the new key, I'm gonna put it and turn it 2 clicks to the on position. This is the security light, and we are going to start the programming while the ignition is on position. I'm going to accept the terms, go to immobilizer, go to Dodge, I'm going to go to automatic selection, I'm going to hit OK. To go to Fob key because it's not a push start. We have the year, make, and model. We're gonna hit OK and OK again. Make sure that the engine is not running, just on position. I'm gonna go to hot function. I'm gonna go to key learning type 2. I'm gonna do key learning, and we're gonna hit start to start the procedure. Hit OK. There is 3 keys in the memory. It tells me to turn the ignition off and turn on the hazard lights. That's the password. You already found the pin code. It says there is 3 keys in the memory. Do you want to learn the key? I'm going to say yes. And it's that easy. 4 keys in the memory. Do you want to program the next key? I'm going to hit no, and it's going to read the amount. It was 3, now it's 4. Let's test it out. We're going to remove the key out, turn off the hazard lights, and make sure that the locks, everything works the way it should. Amazing. Please like the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I would love to answer, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate it. We'll see you next time.